Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic Shev. Now this is a savory snack for Diwali and everybody loves it. Now this is a crispy snack, very easy to make, just a few ingredients and you will have your Diwali snack ready just like this. So if you are ready, come on, let's go. Let's make the dough. The main ingredient is chickpea flour and rice flour in the ratio of 4:1. The rice flour will make these crispy. Now this is garlic powder and I like garlic flavor, so I'm adding quite a bit for the nice taste that it gives after frying. Try to mix and break the lumps for a smooth dough. We will need to add water in batches to make sure we get a nice semi-soft dough. It should not be too thin or too thick. Keep mixing well to bring the dough together. I use total 1 cup of water for this consistency. Keep kneading to make sure it's the perfect consistency. Now this is what we are looking for. Just a few drops of oil so that it doesn't dry out. Coat well all over. Now go ahead and click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post every week. We have to let this sit for 20 minutes. Cover with a towel and set it aside. This is the Shev mold and it comes with a lot of attachments. We are going to use this one for making the perfect Shev made. Drop it in and grease the inside so the dough doesn't stick to the walls and drops easily. Fill it up to the top and I'll show you how to use it. This is good. Close it and keep it ready. Now there are two ways to check the temperature of the oil. One is to place the wooden rolling pin or spoon into the oil, and if it starts to bubble, then it's ready. The other one is to drop a small portion of the dough into the oil, and if it bubbles and floats, then the oil is ready. Let's make the Shev. Drop the dough into the hot oil in a circular motion and keep turning the top lever simultaneously to make a round. Fry on medium flame until nice and golden. We are going to turn this once, so let one side fry completely before you turn to the other side for frying. You will start seeing it change the color. Now this is the perfect color and it's ready. Drain and cool completely before storing in an airtight container. This stays fresh for more than 2 weeks. Looks wonderful, right? Thank you for watching and happy Diwali! Now look at these. So good, right? So crispy and perfect. It has a lovely garlic flavor. Let me try one and show you how crispy it is. So good. Quick and easy, very few ingredients, and it will be ready in no time. I hope you make it for this Diwali and I hope you like this recipe too. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Happy Diwali! Bye!